We're in Hampden today with Nick. We're at 21 Martin Farms Road. I can't wait to show you this beautiful kit. It's Brad, the mortgage guy, and this is your local look. All right, Nick, show us around. All right, so we're coming into this nice living room area. Yeah, beautiful room with a slider off to the back patio, and then it opens right up to our nice updated kitchen with an island that leads us into our dining room. We also have leased solar here and a great two-car garage. The roof on the house is less than 2 years old as well. All right, so we go down the hall. We got our half bath here on the first floor, but as we come around here to the primary bedroom, we also have a full bath in here. Yeah, and we have some brand new carpeting in here as well. Hardwood floors are in great shape too. Great, and we have a second bedroom on the first floor as well. Awesome. All right, so let's go back through that dining room upstairs. Take us up there. We've got 2 extra bedrooms. Yep, 2 extra bedrooms and another full bath up there. This place is looking great. If you'd like to take a private tour of this house, hit up Nick. If you'd like some options, including first-time homebuyer programs with grant money and stuff like that, hit me up as well. Hampden, thanks for having us today. It's Brad, the mortgage guy. This has been your local look. We're out of here.